Alright, first of all, look at this website. This is a simple local store website, and people are willing to pay to the people who are able to create such kind of website for their local business, right? And for that, you do not need to have a coding knowledge. If you want to know what you are creating and what are the features of your websites, you will be creating it using AI. And with the AI, you'll be creating a fully fledged application for a local business and will be able to earn from 5,000 to 10,000 USD easily. And I'm not just saying it, there are people who are actually finding business owners in US and UK and pitching them their ideas and are able to create from 5,000 to 10,000 USD from one single website that you can create in 30 minutes. Like, you can create a prototype in 30 minutes and it will take 2 to 3 days. You can fix all its bugs. So in today's video, I'll be creating a website for simple shoe store completely by AI. I mean, I'll be taking a prompt from ChatGPT, I'll give a prompt to Copilot, and without writing a single line of code, the website will be ready.
Let's start.
So here we are at ChatGPT. So first step, I give a simple prompt to ChatGPT to generate a prompt to create a website like a pro developer, so that we can give this prompt to AI Copilot so that it can understand it way better than a human language. It would be modified prompt, right? So here's a master prompt. It says there's a tech stack required. So React for the front end, for back end it uses Node.js, for database it uses MongoDB. We are not connecting back database right now. So in UI UX, what are the requirements? Here it is written. For what are the pages, it would be having the home page, story page, offer page, profile page, and what are components it would be used. It will be having nav bar, animation, product cards, model for product reviews, and so many things. What are advanced features? But one more thing, how many images we would be needing to create a website? A website would be needing images, a website would be needing video, a website would be needing logo. So these are things to create a website, because we are not wholly dependent on AI. We are creating it for a client. So client would be having the products, would be giving the images of their product. We need to modify them. So we know what are the images we need, how many images we need. For now, we have no idea what would be the images. So giving the prompt to ChatGPT again. So these images, I don't find them attractive. So I give a next prompt to ChatGPT, generate the prompt for stylish and modern pics like shoes in water, shoe around the dust and all. So you can ignore the typing errors. Giving the prompt to AI now. I hope it will create a good prompt now. Alright, it has created the prompt for the images. So for creating the images, either you can take the images from here as well, but we will be going for Google Flow to create a realistic image. So going to Google Flow now. Here you can click on create with flow. It will take some time. Okay, new project. So here we'll do nothing. We'll just copy our prompt here and paste it in Google Flow, and just select a model. You are selecting for Nano Banana 2 or for Pro. We are going for Nano Banana 2, and we'll be using 16:9 aspect ratio. And are you generating video or image? I will be generating image. So just create. It will create 3 because we selected the 3 multiples of the image. So we'll be ready with the copy of the second image. Let's create this fire one. Let's see how it is creating. The 50% has been completed, 56, and let's wait until it's getting completed. So here I can see how realistic and cool images it has generated. So we can use these images in our website. It would just enhance the visibility of our website. So without any delay, we'll paste the second prompt and just hit enter. Again, it is creating 3 pics. So here you can see it has created amazing images. We'll be using these images in our website. But before going ahead, we need to create few more images. I'll create the images by giving the prompt here only, and I'll see you afterwards. Just wait for a minute. Alright, after getting the images, we just need to copy the prompt that ChatGPT has created to create a website. We'll just open Visual Studio Code in our laptop. Alright, so before starting with the code, we need to start with the Copilot first. So we'll go to Google Chrome again. We'll go to GitHub. After coming on GitHub, we'll click on the sidebar, and here it will allow you to see Copilot section. Click on this will allow you to come on this page. Here you will see a section to use a free Copilot version for 1 month. Here I'm using it, the free trial of it. So we'll just enable it and we'll go back to our Visual Studio Code. You can just give a first command to AI agent to connect it with something, or it will ask already if you want to use Copilot for free or not. So I just selected it first and going to next section. So I want to do everything. No, I just want to tune with settings, mark done, and just give the prompt here and add one more line in the last. Install the dependencies required to create this website. We just want the Copilot to do the thing for us. We want it to install all the dependency because we do not want to do anything. So it will do everything for you. And also here in default approvals, we'll click on autopilot preview so that we do not need to give permissions again and again. It will handle it itself. And yes, it will start creating a website. First it will install the dependency, then it will create the UI, and side by side we'll start writing the code. And one more thing, I have not given the images and the videos I have created through Google Flow. I'll give it once website structure is ready. I'll get later. So let it create the website first and we'll see how it is being created. So once it is created, I'll be back afterwards. So maybe it will take some time to create a website. Of course, Copilot is doing everything from installing to creating a UI and connecting it with backend. So once it is created, I'll be back. So let's see. So for next step, I'll go to the VSC again and I'll paste the path of all the images that I've downloaded and give it here. And I'll get a command to use the images as it wanted to use it, because I have no specific demand to use it in my way. If you have any demand to use it, that particular image need to be in a background of this particular section, you can use that. But for now, I'm just giving it to AI all. So I give a command to AI Copilot that it can use the images that I have given, or it can also reuse the images. For example, we have only 7 8 images, but but in store page there would be requirement of more than 10 images, 50 images, or how many products do we have. On the basis of that, we need the number of images for that. So in that case, it can reuse it for now. If you have multiple what you can say products, you can just change the things over there. But for now, we have just this thing, give a simple UI. We just want to see how Copilot is able to create such website easily. So I'm keeping all the changes. Yes, let's see what are the changes it is creating and we'll back afterwards. Alright, after giving the images, we can see it used the images very well. Let's go to the website and see how it has used the images. So in the hero section, we can see it used the MP4 video that I gave to use in a background, and the color gradient has been removed completely. Down there it used a wonderful hover effect to go on the different section: lifestyle, limited edition, premium, running. Now going to the next page, store. Wow, like it's a work, it's a good work that it used very similar kind of effects in different products so that it looks very unique. The page looks monotonous in terms of what we can say, shoes impact. Like it says that a brand, whatever the brand, it is making a similar kind of good quality of stuff, right? So in the left side we can see the filter bar. You can filter by price, filter by category, filter by price range. After that there is profile section. Let's go to profile section. Okay, the profile section is a bit simple. You can give prompt to AI again to improve the profile section, and coming back to home again. I like this what we can say. Yeah, I like the video in the background running here in this section. Now going back to this code, we can see it has created the preview here. We can close the preview or you can go check the files. Apart from that, it has created a complete folder structure. On the left, you can see whatever the changes you want to do manually, you can do it here, or you can just use the Copilot again to make the changes in the website. So this is the simple step. You can create a prompt from the ChatGPT. You can give the prompt to the Copilot using VSC and use a free Copilot in the GitHub for the next 1 month, and boom, you just need to create some images, download some images, or you can just take the images of the product of the person who is selling something. You can take the images, use them in the Copilot, and boom, your website is ready. Whatever the changes you want to do, you want to do the change in the color combination, you want to make some other change. If I would have any chance, I would have uh, created a distance between this section and the footer section. It looked a bit messy. You can do that. All these things can be happen giving a simple prompt to AI, or you can just give a defined prompt to ChatGPT, like what kind of prompt you want for a website. It will generate a perfect defined prompt in one go. And after that, I don't think so that you would be needing any other prompt to fix the bugs. Alright, so this is all about creating a website for a shoe store using a simple AI tools. You can use them to create a website. You can sell the website to the business owners. They actually buy these kind of websites. So yes, try these AI tools, create some websites, sell this to business owner, earn some money, and do let me know in the comment section what you have built or what you are thinking to build. Till then, bye bye.